spread the minced pistachios and diced cranberries together on a plate. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. In a mixing bowl, mash and stir the goat cheese, cream cheese, and hot pepper sauce until well blended. Refrigerate to firm up the cheeses for easier shaping. Use a tablespoon to scoop up rounded portions of the goat mixture. Roll the goat cheese into balls. If you have one, a tablespoon-sized ice cream scoop makes this step especially easy. Roll each cheese ball in the pistachio cranberry mixture until evenly coated. Serve with toothpicks or skewers. Wine recommendation: goat cheese and Sauvignon Blanc are lusciously made for each other. The acidity and bright, citrusy flavor of this white wine pairs impeccably with the creaminess and tart flavor of the goat cheese.